So just in case if you don't know where the hot springs are, you'll look for the toboggan sign, or Tabacon, I'm not exactly sure how you pronounce it. And then you will see this bridge, and the hot springs are located directly underneath. And then you can just pull off to the side and park.
I suggest backing in so you can get out easier, because it's not fun backing onto the road to get out.
Especially if you're here until later morning or afternoon.
Now I have to put on my swim trunks and we'll be ready to go. You need to lock the car?
Oh, you're on our way. With our cute little water shoes together.
Yeah, I highly suggest bringing water shoes because the rocks are sharp.
And they're slippery.
Wonder why I brought my hat. Oh my god.
Is that warm?
Oh my god, yeah. This is so warm. It's literally steaming. There's nobody else here right now. Oh my god, I could sit in this all day long. It's so nice. Oh my god, it's so nice. Oh. Wow.
Oh my gosh, this is everything I could have wanted.
You don't have to pay for it.
Honestly, yeah, this is nice.
The price to go to the expensive one where you have to pay.
Without lunch and dinner, it is $75 for a person.
For a day, which
Yeah.
like most people probably don't even stay a day. They probably stay a couple hours and then leave. But this is free and it's right outside of the paid one. So it's like the runoff of the paid one. So actually I think there's a bigger pole on the other side under the bridge. So maybe we'll go there. This is very gravelly though. Like this is what I'm standing on, like gravel. But it's nice. Nobody's here. It's like 6 or what is it, Lace? 7 in the morning. So we left the hotel or the house at
Like
6:30 or so. Oh my, it's deep here. Let me just get down for a second. But literally the resort is right in front of me. So this is like the warmest free water I can get. And it's kind of hard to walk around. Oh jeez. Almost fell. Oh no! I'm stuck on a rock. Lacey's just down there enjoying it. Oh! This right here is interesting. This is what the lower portion of it looks like, where it goes under a bridge. Here's the other side. See, here's a tunnel right here. Let's see if anybody's here. Nope, nobody's here. I think this is the entrance. So there's like a little waterfall on the other side. There's the bridge. There's the tunnel I just came through. It smells kind of weird in this tunnel, not gonna lie. But water feels good. Let's see if we can see Lacey. So we just got on the other side of this little hot spring thing, and we see an armadillo at the bottom of the hill. There it is.
Do you see it?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
All right, I think we're gonna go now and get coffee.